Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we are going to use select case for selecting a channels among Go routines. So let us start. First of all, we are just creating a package. Now I'm creating a one function main. Like this. Now I'm creating a channel 1. Like this. Channel 2. Like this. We can take any data type here, and I'm just creating a function like message 1, and here I'm passing ch1, or we can give any name like this, and here I'm using for loop, and I say I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and I just passing a value to this channel, and I'm passing a value like fmt.sprintf, and here I say message 1 value like this, and I pass here I, or I just do timer also for sleeping, sleep also, time dot second. Similarly, I create one more function. I say message 2 here, and I pass here channel number 2 here, and this is 2. So I'm calling here go, I say go message 1, and I'm passing ch1, and I say go message 2, and passing ch2. Now I'm taking here select case, select, and here I'm taking a case, and I say here that if this ch1 comes, okay, or that result I can pass in any variable, I say r, or I just use fmt print ln, and I say r. Similarly, I say case ch1, ch2, and I just use fmt dot println, and I say r. Like this. I save it and I try to run it. So value is this, so I am just going to pass here %d, and now once again I try. So 1 is coming. So now I have to put this select case, or I have to set a timer here. First of all, sleep, and I say time dot second multiply by 4. Try to stop for 4 seconds and run again. So not value is not coming. So what I'm doing, I just stop it and I put this in a for loop. I say for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, like this, and I put my code of selection of this is inside this. Now I try to run it. Coming, but one mistake is there, that %d. Save it, run once again, and you see 5 time only. So I say 10 time because 5 time all are running. Once again I am just doing this. Only message 1. Okay, I have to put here message 2 also because it's confusing. Now I run again. You see message 1, message 2, message 1, message 2. So it is coming. Zero to 5 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can increase the value of this to 10 time and runs again. You see all values are coming. So, and I put it 5 only. Once again I run it. You see, on the basis of selection, it is running. How it is running? That we are executing a Go routines here. This Go routine updating a channel, and whenever the channel having a value, it coming. In this case become true. It display data. If data come in this channel, it become true and they display data. So it repeating the task 10 time because I am running this loop 5 times this and 5 times this. So that's way we are just using a select case for fetching information, for selecting information of channels under the Go routines. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.